Welcome back to our workshop, where old furniture gets a new lease on life. Today we've taken on a special project, restoring a two-piece hutch that's seen better days under the sun. Let's dive into this transformation journey. As we take a closer look, you'll notice the hutch's top and bottom have suffered some sun fading, a common adversary in furniture refinishing. The fading is most pronounced on the sides where the sunlight has been unkind. Applying stripper to a vertical surface can be tricky. It tends to slide right off. To ensure it does its job, we lay the hutch on its side, allowing the stripper to work its magic without gravity working against us. And a quick tip for fellow restorers out there, always advertise your work, even in the middle of a project like you see me doing here. If you need some expert touch on your beloved furniture, you know who to call. Wink, wink. With the stripper generously applied using a chip brush, we give it 10 to 15 minutes to penetrate. Stripping away isn't always straightforward, especially when we discover the hutch was coated in a stubborn polyurethane finish, not the usual lacquer. This makes our stripper less effective, but we're not deterred. We utilize denatured alcohol and green Scotch-Brite pads to assist with any residue that has been left behind by the stripper. Inside the hutch, we found some old wiring for lights the customer wants replaced. At their request and a nod to their engineering background, we're removing the old fixtures and preparing the hutch for new lighting, ensuring everything will sit flush and look seamless. The small channel that's utilized to hide away the wire in between the top and bottom piece did not have a deep enough channel, so we're using a chisel to etch that out and widen it a little bit and make a little bit deeper for the customer. Next, the bottom piece demands our attention. Sanding is up first, but it's not without its challenges. My usual reluctance to use an orbital sander is confirmed by the risk of leaving swirl marks, and when the stripper meets its match against the poly, we reluctantly turn to scraping, a method we use sparingly to avoid damaging the veneer. Some areas are too tight for sanding tools, requiring painstaking work with a small scraper. It's all about the details, ensuring every inch of this hutch is perfectly prepped for refinishing. Working solo has its challenges, but with some ingenuity, like leaving the piece on the floor, protected by cardboard and blankets, it makes it manageable. This approach allows for mobility and ensures the hutch is treated with the care it deserves. Not all surprises are pleasant. We discovered loose parts on the tampered doors, necessitating precise glue repairs. Using a fast-drying wood glue and an accelerant made by Titebond, we secure the pieces back in place. A toothpick becomes an invaluable tool for applying pressure and ensuring a tight bond. Moving on in our restoration journey, we've thoroughly sanded down the Hutch with both 120 and 220 grit sandpaper. Now it's time for transformation. We're applying Mohawk's wiping stain, choosing a rich burnt umber for its deep warm tones. I prefer using an old towel or cut up shirt for application. This method not only saves material, but also ensures a smooth, even coat. After applying, we'll use shop towels to wipe off excess, leaving a clean surface ready for the next step. Patience is key. After staining, we allow it to dry thoroughly, often leaving it overnight to ensure the best adherence for the sealing process. Wearing the proper PPE, we combine lacquer thinner, a no blush retarder, and a flash-off control solvent. Depending on the finish needed, we opt for vinyl sealer or lacquer for the top coat. This meticulous mixing surpasses what you might get from aerosol cans, providing professional touch for the entire piece. In my professional opinion, aerosol cans should only be utilized for touch-ups, not for complete refinishes. For this project, we selected NRG Ultra Penetrating Stain from Mohawk in medium brown American walnut. The amount added to the mix depends on the desired shade. A darker, richer color requires more stain. We aim for balance, adding just enough of each component to achieve the perfect toner for our Hutch. Applying 2 coats of this custom mix toner, we ensure an even and beautiful finish. Spraying is an art in itself. For our high volume, low pressure HVLP setup, we keep the PSI between 35 to 38. If you're newer to spraying, maintain a distance of 4 to 7 inches from the piece with slight overlaps on each pass to ensure uniform coverage. For tight spaces like the inside of the Hutch's top, we reduce the PSI to about 17 to avoid overspray and ensure a smooth finish. After sealing, we apply 3 coats of our favorite matte finish, providing a durable and visually stunning surface. And now the moment we've all been waiting for, the reveal. Let's take a look back at the sun-faded Hutch we started with. Notice the dramatic difference? The top of the piece, once marred by uneven fading, now boasts a consistent, rich tone. If you enjoyed this transformation and found our tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Whether you're a mid-century furniture enthusiast or seeking restoration services, visit our website and reach out. Our Instagram and website links are below. Thanks for watching and keep tuning in for more refinishing adventures. Remember, every piece of furniture has a story, and we're here to give it a new chapter.